Day 3, 13 degrees. Let's turn on the lights so the chickens know it's daytime. Oh, at 13, you decide you're gonna stay under the heat lamp, but not at -5. I see. All right, you guys are good on food and water. Try to stay warm, ladies and gent. Now we're gonna go get some cow feed. I'm not even gonna bother opening the door today. They ain't been out in 2 days. They're not coming out today either. It's snow. Got them a couple of holes knocked out here. You just fed them. It's hard work when you ain't used to it in the cold. Hi, buddy. You want some water? I think that's Two's bull. He's the one that's got the red underneath his belly, the long hair. Just want to show how thick this ice is. This is redonkulous. You bunch of savages! Get back! He didn't rip the hole in the bag. This is not y'all's food. Get back! Now, if you fall and I get it on video, you know it's going on YouTube, right? I'm just saying. Hey, 68. You waiting? Ooh. Just for the record, I broke all of this. So y'all can't say that I don't help out. I know it appears that I don't sometimes, but I do get out of some work because of the video too, so I'm not complaining. All right, y'all, get you some water. We still gotta go check on heifers. One farm done. Headed to the other to do it all over again. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
They got their Christmas breakfast. We got their ice busted. They've got a drink. We'll come back this afternoon and do it all over again. They're drinking. Day 4. Going to let the chickens, well, I say let them out, but I'm gonna check on them. We're getting more snow. It's snowing now. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but chickens are not coming out again today, so we'll just flip the light on for them and check their food and water. Their water's still good. Hi, Mr. Roo Roo. Yeah, I know, you don't like it. Morning, ladies. Y'all seem to be doing good up there. All right. Got food, got water. We'll leave the light on for them so they'll wake up, start their day. We're gonna leave their door shut. He's waiting on me. We gotta go feed some hay this morning. But we're supposed to get about I think he said 1 to 2 inches of snow this morning. E is feeding hay. I've got one hole knocked out. All the snow gathering on the backs of the cows let you know that they've got good insulation. They're keeping their body heat in. That's good. That's always a good sign. So we're supposed to get about 2 inches or so of this today. If it keeps snowing like this, it'll be a lot more. It's not taking long. Alright, I got one more spot to bust back out. It was 22 degrees this morning when we got up, about 6:30. I don't know what it is now. I'll look and tell you in the next snip after I get this spot busted out. They've got 2 spots up there. And even though these guys do have fresh water, they're not going to venture out into the front field to get it. 99% of the time, if they drink, they're drinking out of these ponds. I know they're muddy and they poop and pee in it. But even during the summer, they prefer to drink out of the ponds versus go to the water unless they're out in the front field already. So, alright, that's done. And my watch says it's 21 degrees. So we don't have a hay unroller, which he desperately wants. So he has taken 2 rolls up at the top of the hill and knocked them down the hill with the tractor. And I mean, I think that works out pretty good. I think he did a good job. I'm gonna work on getting a count on all these guys. Didn't take long for the roads to get white. We got the heifers fed and their water busted. So they're getting them a drink. Most of them. I think they was really liking the snow this morning as much as they was jumping and running. I think this is day 5 of the winter weather. It is, it definitely feels like day 500. Good morning, ladies and gents. How are you guys faring? Still have good water? Still have food? You got heat? Here, let me pet you. Yeah, you don't like it, do you? Alright. They're good. I'm gonna open the door, give them the option to go out. I don't think that they will, but they might. They don't typically come out in the snow. Alright, let's go get some cow feed. It's 27 degrees this morning. It's a lot warmer than it has been.
28, 20, there's 2 inside the barn.
Oh, I didn't count the ones in the barn. We got these ladies fed and the calves fed. We put some more creep feed in the creep feeder. Hi, buddy boy. What you doing? And say hi. What'd you think about the weather? Yeah, I didn't like it either. He took the four-wheeler to go check the ponds to make sure that they're all open. They pretty much are. It's 29 degrees today. Today's the first day that it's supposed to be above freezing since all of this hit Thursday night. It is Tuesday. So I'm sure the cows will enjoy the warmer temperatures. I zoomed in too far. He's playing a little bit. I think they've enjoyed getting extra feed while it's been super cold. What do you think? They've enjoyed getting extra feed while it's been super cold?
I hope so.
Hi, 83. The geese and ducks come up this morning. He's walked down to the pond while I've been videoing. He gave them some feed. Got 20 holding her tail out. It's warmed up. It's 40 degrees today, so that's good. I don't know if she's in early labor or not. Pond is starting to thaw, which is good. Just got to get it thawed before the calves decide that they can walk on it. So somebody has been walking out on the pond all the way across, it looks like. Left muddy footprints. And that one's standing on it right now. Come on, guys. So the ground is thawing, of course, and he is moving the hay rolls while we have use of a four-wheel drive tractor, because that one does not have four-wheel drive, and he's already almost got stuck down there once. So he's bringing the hay up so it'll be easier to get to. Once we take that tractor back. One and two standing here thinking that they're going to get some extra feed. Along with 51. Something's been in our fence. We've lost the insulator. Looked around, all around on the ground, can't find it anywhere. He's gone. He's gone over there to rob one off of our first temporary fence that we did. It was practically on the ground. They respect the fence, so that's good. All fixed. Look how thick that ice. This is the first morning that I've come out here to do this, that it has been above freezing. It is 34 degrees this morning. The chickens did venture out yesterday afternoon a little bit. I took their heat lamp out of here. I'll hang it up here in case it turns off cold again. Good morning, ladies. We'll get your cover taken down off of your window. Got here this morning, we had a calf standing on the pond out here. Had to get him ran off. I mean, you can see he's been out there. There's poop out there in the middle of the pond. He is using the front end loader on the tractor to try to bust up the ice a little bit, and the wheel of the tractor itself to try to get it busted up. Maybe they can stay off of it. We hope. Oh, makes me nervous. Just shove your way in there, 5. Today's Thursday, December 29th. We're at 48 degrees this morning. And good riddance to all the snow. Super happy that all that's gone. Now to get all the rest of the ice off of the ponds. Oh, good morning. We're still good on water. Probably ought to get them a little bit of food. We'll hang this outside. Yeah, I know y'all are wanting worms, and I don't have any. Sorry, girls. Y'all have to go dig your own. Off to get some cattle feed. wanted to come out here and see how thick this ice is where he hasn't broken it, to see if we're kind of out of the woods for the calves walking on it. I may end up falling in the pond, but nah, I think we're pretty good now. It's more slushy. Good deal. Good. And you can see where they have walked on it. Of course, we got here yesterday morning. There's one standing in the middle of this pond. But he's gonna feed some hay. And I'm gonna see if I can get a count on them all. Where are you going? I was gonna pet you. Oh, are you hollering for your baby? Are you hollering for her? She looks like she's backed up somewhere. She get closer. Getting closer every day. I sure would have thought she'd have had it by now. Evidently, there was at least one bale that they liked the taste of because they ate a hole in their wall. This is not the way I wanted to spend my day, but this is what we're doing. I got them some more fenced off. They'll be able to go down about right there, and then back up this way, and then back down around in here. So they just got let in. Had to coax them through where the fence was with some feed. They got quite a bit of grass out here. They're exploring. So we'll sit out here and watch them for a little bit. There's some trash in the field right here, right beside me. I don't know if it's plastic or what. They're at the corner of where they can go. I think you guys can see the fence. We've got it going across up almost to the original fence here. We left us a corridor because our hay. We left us a corridor between here because our hay is back there. You know what happy cows sound like? You wouldn't think them munching on grass was so loud, but definitely is. I'd say they're enjoying the new grass.